Hi there, thank you for stopping by Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales, taking a look at the Wildwood FSX 266 BHLE. This is a unique trailer with a lot of great features with no slides. So if you're looking for a double bunk unit that doesn't have any slides, this is it. We have a huge lounging sectional here that converts into sleeping space. Also has a portable table to put down below, so you can use that where you like. Turn it into a banquette. Double bunks here, each of them with their own windows. Plenty of storage space throughout. Well thought out kitchen here. We have the cooktop plus the microwave down below. Huge sink and lots of countertop space. We have the king bedroom up front. Again, plenty of built-ins. Keep everything organized and in its place while you're at the trailer. Dual windows there in the bedroom as well. And we have a rear bath. Nice bright shower with the skylight there. Really nice features throughout. Stop in at Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales. Let us know that you love RVs and you get the best pricing in Canada.